Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome STX is the ultimate luxury vehicle for recreational vehicles or Vs. It is intended for people who desire the utmost in comfort and elegance when traveling. A thorough explanation of the features provided is provided below. Important traits: Unchangeable Luxuriance, from premium materials to cutting-edge technologies. Every component is made to offer the utmost in comfort and functionality. Owners can customize the area to suit their needs thanks to the roomy interior and adaptable layout. Innovation in technology: the fully digital cockpit provides real-time car diagnostics. Entertainment and navigation: smartphone integration is made easy by the infotainment system support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The best surround sound system offers a fantastic sound experience. Advanced safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, 360 video, and lane keeping assistance. Comfort and usability: a luxurious memory foam mattress on a king-size bed for a comfortable night's sleep. The in-suite bathroom features a smart toilet with auto-clean capabilities, stylish fixtures, and a rain shower. Visitors can change the temperature in various places thanks to a multi-zone climate control system. Through a touchscreen panel or smartphone app, smart home technology integrates everything from entertainment and climate control to lighting and security. Extras and external features: LED lighting on an extensible awning, an integrated outdoor kitchen with a sink and grill, as well as an external entertainment system. A large back garage big enough to fit a high-end sports vehicle, motorcycle, or outdoor gear. Camping setup is made simple with a hydraulic leveling mechanism. Utilizing sustainable energy is made possible by solar panels. Easy cleaning is made possible via a central vacuum system. To sum up, the Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome STX 2026 is an exquisite fusion of cutting-edge technology.